Money, a tool that drives the world, possesses a fascinating allure that is undeniable. Be it the crisp texture of a new banknote or the gleam of a freshly minted coin, there's something about currency that captivates us all. It's more than just a medium of exchange. It's a symbol of power, wealth, and possibility. Each piece, whether a lowly penny or a hefty $100 bill, carries a story of intricate artistry and technological marvel. The allure of money, however, extends far beyond its purchasing power. It lies in the mystery of its creation, the precision of its production, and the security aspects that make it authentic and trustworthy. From the earliest forms of bartering to today's digital transactions, money has transformed, adapted, and evolved with us. But have you ever wondered how this powerful tool is actually made? Let's dive into the world of money manufacturing. Currency as we know it today has come a long way from its origins. The dawn of trade saw bartering of goods where people exchanged what they had for what they needed. Then came the age of commodity money where precious metals, grains, or even livestock served as a medium of exchange. This was followed by the introduction of metal coins, with specific values assigned to them, marking a significant milestone in the evolution of currency. The leap from coins to paper money was monumental, first appearing in China during the Tang dynasty, around the 7th century. Fast forward to today, we see a dazzling array of banknotes and coins, each brimming with intricate designs and advanced security features. But the journey doesn't stop here. The digital age brought with it cryptocurrencies, a whole new kind of virtual money. The evolution of currency is closely tied to advancements in technology and security measures. One of the most interesting aspects of modern currency is the intricate security features it boasts. Imagine holding a banknote in your hand. To the naked eye, it might seem like just a piece of paper, but in reality, it's a work of art brimming with cutting-edge technology. Consider the watermark, an image or pattern that appears lighter or darker when held up to the light. It's created during the paper-making process and is almost impossible to replicate accurately. Then there's the security thread, a thin strip running from top to bottom, embedded in the paper itself. It often contains text or symbols and may glow under ultraviolet light. And let's not forget holograms. These shiny, reflective elements display different images or colors depending on the viewing angle. They're a marvel of optics and microprinting, and a nightmare for counterfeiters. These security features not only authenticate the currency, but also make counterfeiting extremely challenging. The printing of banknotes is a process of precision and advanced technology. Imagine a world where every detail, every minute mark, and every intricate pattern matters. That's the world of banknote printing. It's a world that merges art with science, tradition with innovation. The process begins with a high-resolution, detailed design, which is then transferred onto a printing plate. This plate is then used to print the design onto specially made paper. Throughout this process, the precision is paramount. Even a slight deviation can lead to a faulty banknote, but it's not just about precision, it's also about technology. Advanced printing techniques including intaglio and offset printing are used to create the unique textures and features of a banknote. These techniques not only enhance the beauty of the banknote but also add to its security features. Every banknote is a product of intricate design, precise printing, and careful inspection. Coin minting, another aspect of currency production, is an art in itself. The process begins with the design. Artists painstakingly sketch out the intricate details that will adorn the face of the coin. These designs often hold symbolic or historical significance, adding to the allure of the coin. Next comes the die making. The original design is transferred onto a steel rod known as the master die. This die is then used to create working dies which will directly strike the coins. The metal blanks or planchets are then prepared. They are heated, cleaned, and polished to create a smooth, shiny surface that's ready for striking. The striking stage is where the magic happens. The blank is placed between two dies and then struck with immense force. This pressure imprints the design onto the blank, transforming it into a coin. After striking, each coin is meticulously inspected for any errors. Just like banknotes, coins too undergo rigorous inspection to ensure their quality and authenticity. Special edition and commemorative coins add another layer of fascination to currency manufacturing. The creation of these unique coins is an intricate process, a blend of artistry, technology, and history. It begins with an idea, typically marking a significant event or personality. This idea is then transformed into a detailed sketch by an artist, capturing the essence of the commemoration. Next, the sketch is turned into a 3D model, usually using computer-aided design software. This model is then used to create a die. a hardened steel stamp with the design in relief. The die strikes blank metal discs under high pressure, imprinting the design onto the coin. The coins are then inspected for quality and precision before they are released into circulation. Commemorative coins are more than just currency. They are historical markers, capturing important moments in time. These coins not only serve as legal tender, but also celebrate important events and personalities. The world of currency is not static. It continuously evolves with technological advancements. Now, let's delve into some of the recent innovations that are reshaping the face of money. One of the most significant breakthroughs in recent years is the introduction of polymer banknotes. These notes, made from a type of plastic, are not only more durable and secure than their paper counterparts, but they're also more environmentally friendly. The use of polymer allows for advanced security features to be embedded, making them harder to counterfeit. Moving beyond physical cash, we enter the realm of digital currencies. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum are revolutionizing the way we think about money, offering a level of security and transparency that traditional currencies can't match. And let's not forget about central bank digital currencies, or CBDCs, which are a digital form of fiat money. These innovations aim to enhance security, durability, and convenience in the world of currency. Ever wondered what goes on behind the scenes of a currency printing facility? Well, prepare to be amazed. The production of currency is an intricate ballet of precision and technology. At the heart of these operations are high-speed printing presses that churn out sheets of banknotes at a dizzying pace. Each sheet is then checked for any imperfections, ensuring every banknote is perfect down to the last detail. Moving on, we find ourselves in the engraving department. Here, master engravers painstakingly craft the designs that give each banknote its unique identity. This is a process that blends artistry with precision, resulting in the stunning imagery we see on our currency. Next stop, the inspection department. Here, every single banknote is scrutinized under high-powered magnifying glasses, ensuring no detail is overlooked. And finally, the packaging and distribution department. Here, banknotes are bundled, packed, and prepared for distribution to banks across the country. The production of currency is a meticulously planned and executed process. Currency manufacturing is not a one-size-fits-all process. Different countries have unique approaches. In the United States, for instance, the Bureau of Engraving and Printing uses a blend of cotton and linen for their banknotes, giving them that distinctive feel. On the other hand, Australia pioneered the use of polymer in their banknotes, making them more durable and difficult to counterfeit. In Europe, the euro notes are produced by various high-security printing works around the European Union. Each note has a unique combination of intricate security features to ensure authenticity. Meanwhile, in Japan, a blend of traditional craftsmanship and modern technology goes into manufacturing the yen, reflecting the country's profound respect for tradition and innovation. And let's not forget about the Royal Canadian Mint, which has been known to push the boundaries of coin minting with their glow-in-the-dark coins and other innovative features. Despite the differences, the goal remains the same: to produce secure, durable, and usable currency. The journey of money from a concept to the physical form that we use daily is truly fascinating. We've explored its historical evolution, understanding how currency has transformed from shells and stones to the paper and coins we recognize today. We've delved into the intricate security measures that ensure each banknote and coin is unique and uncounterfeitable. We've seen the precision and technology that goes into the printing of every single banknote, and the artistry and craftsmanship involved in coin minting. Special editions and commemorative coins have given us a glimpse into the creative side of currency, while the innovations in manufacturing, like polymer banknotes, have shown us how this field continues to evolve. We've even had a peek behind the scenes at the complex machinery and processes involved in currency creation. The next time you hold a banknote or a coin, remember the intricate processes it has gone through to reach your hands. We hope you found this journey through the world of money manufacturing as fascinating as we did. Isn't it amazing how much thought, precision, and technology goes into every coin and note in your wallet? If you enjoyed this deep dive, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more intriguing explorations. We'd love to hear your thoughts and any suggestions for future journeys you want us to undertake. Stay tuned for more fascinating journeys into the world around us. Until next time, keep exploring.